Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss Johnson. At Weiss Johnson, we believe your furnace is the heart of your home. Its function is to move heat throughout all areas of the home within the pipes and ducts that are like veins and arteries. This is why it is important to choose the best furnace for your home with reliability and efficiency in mind. The Goodman GMVM96 high-efficient furnace will provide just that. Communicating technology in a fully modulating furnace for the ultimate comfort and greater efficiency. The advanced ComfortNet technology allows the GMVM96 furnace to constantly calibrate itself for optimal performance year after year. At Weiss Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. Modulating furnaces are the next step up from the two-stage furnace. These furnaces have a larger range of operation and can vary their output from 40% to 100% based on the demand of the house. When paired with the appropriate comfort control, the modulating furnace will pinpoint the point of modulation that best suits the current demand of the house, thus increasing the efficiency of the system. This furnace will run more often than the two-stage, but at an even lower capacity in an effort to further eliminate the temperature swings that can be experienced. The goal here is to seamlessly match the heat loss of the house with the correct application of heat, thus creating a completely even temperature in the home. Weiss Johnson recommends this furnace for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable winter heat. The Goodman GMVM96 furnace has a 96% Afue rating. Afue stands for Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. A higher Afue rating means greater energy efficiency. If you have a furnace that is over 10 years old, it probably has an Afue rating somewhere between 60 and 70. This means up to 40 cents of every dollar you pay for fuel could be wasted. A cozy, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. The Goodman GMVM96 has met the Weiss Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. It has a lifetime warranty on its heat exchangers. A 10-year warranty on internal functional parts is available when the equipment is registered online by the homeowner. Extended warranties are also available. Call Weiss Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative furnaces with efficiency in mind.
Weiss Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss Johnson, whoa. Striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss Johnson, whoa.